For all of human history, intelligence was our advantage. In a single decade, machines took that crown. So what is left that is ours? This is the heart of being in the age of AI. Not how to compete with the machine, but how to stay human. When intelligence becomes abundant, cheap, and everywhere, it stops being the prize, the scarce thing. The human premium becomes wisdom, presence, and meaning. The machine can compute, but it cannot be present. It can generate, but it cannot feel meaning. It can answer, but it cannot wonder. So our task was never to outthink the machine. Our task is to outhuman it, to become more fully, more deeply ourselves. The book is built on five human capacities no algorithm can replace. The first is presence, the art of being fully here, now. The second is discernment, in a flood of infinite content, knowing what is true, what matters, and what deserves your attention. The third is connection, the warmth, the empathy, the shared silence between people that no interface will ever truly imitate. The fourth is creativity, not endless output, but the courage to make something honest, something only you could have made. And the fifth is meaning, living for something larger than productivity, a purpose the machine can serve but never feel. This is not about resisting technology. It is about reclaiming what makes us irreplaceable so that as the machines rise, we rise too. Don't just keep up with AI, stay human within it. This is being in the age of AI. Begin your practice today.